Dog yawning is comedy gold because one second they're chilling and the next they're opening their mouth like they're trying to eat the whole planet, eyes squinting, tongue flopping out, making that tiny squeak sound like an old door, then boom back to normal like nothing happened. And the best part is when one dog yawns and suddenly every dog in the room starts yawning too, like it's a contagious meeting they didn't want to attend. Even puppies do it extra dramatic like they just paid bills and worked overtime. Honestly, if yawning was an Olympic sport, dogs would take all the medals.